It's me now. You don't get sister for her. Give me my phone, eh? Not push me, oh.
Give my phone. Give me. Where the phone? Where my phone?
Yes, sir. Young lady, leave the hall first now. You were caught cheating. Instead of to leave the hall, you are still giving me my phone.
What is the matter? This is history now.
Stop